Okay, this is how to connect the reverse camera wiring for the Kia LAN 8900 EK SL factory stereo. This is the one with the ISO connectors on the back, not the standard Kia connectors. That white plug there is the factory amp and camera input connector. So on the new Android system harness, there is a wire. It's one of these green wires here. So it's the bottom left one. So it's the bottom one directly underneath the ground wire. It is labelled as reverse. Just bear with me a second because it's... So you can see here it's labelled as reverse. This green wire goes to the bottom pin there. So you need to connect that wire up to the brown wire going into pin 5, I believe it is, on the back of the stereo, and that will get the unit to switch automatically to a reverse image. However, this screen only accepts TVI or AHD video input, and the Kia uses a CVBS camera. So the camera format is incompatible.